The gap between the teeth. Marcus hadn't smiled with his mouth open in 11 years. Not at his daughter's graduation, not at his wedding, not even when his football team finally won the championship after a 20-year drought. He stood in that stadium, surrounded by thousands of screaming fans, and pressed his lips together, the same way he always did. It started small, a little sensitivity, then a little embarrassment, then a dentist's office visit he kept postponing. Next month, he always said, when things slow down. Things never slowed down. By the time Dr. Adaeze saw him, the damage was already done. 2 extractions, 1 root canal, and a lecture she delivered with the warmth of someone who'd given it 100 times but still meant every word. "Marcus," she said, setting down her tools, "your mouth is a window into your entire body. When bacteria sit between your teeth unchallenged, they don't stay there. They travel into your bloodstream. Studies link periodontal disease to heart disease, diabetes, even cognitive decline. Your teeth aren't cosmetic, they're infrastructure." He stared at the ceiling. 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes at night, 30 seconds of floss once. That's it. That's the whole prescription. He went home that evening and stood at the bathroom sink for a long time. Picked up his toothbrush, put it down, picked it up again, and brushed.
And brushed.
The next morning, he brushed again.
Brush.
That night, he flossed for the first time in what felt like a decade.
Ow.
Awkward, a little
Definitely
bloody,
been a while.
slightly humiliating. He did it anyway. 6 months later, Dr. Adaeze looked at his charts and looked up at him with raised eyebrows. "Whatever you're doing, keep doing it." Marcus drove home, walked into his daughter's
Happy
birthday party, and when she blew out her candles and turned to look at him,
Dad,
he smiled,
you're here.
mouth open, all the way. The gap between who we are and who we want to be is sometimes
Oh,
just 2
man.
minutes, twice a day.
Oh, man.
Brush, floss, show up for yourself, one small ritual at a time.